Hey everyone! Today we're getting ready for Apple's earnings report this Thursday. Let's break down what to expect in simple terms. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quick and focused reviews. Now let's dive in. First, let's discuss how Apple makes money. Apple earns a lot from selling iPhones, MacBooks, and iPads. It also earns money from its services, such as Apple Wallet, Apple News, and Apple TV. These services bring in a good amount of cash. But there are costs too. Apple spends money on things like stores, development, and production. Plus, there's a lot of talk about the market in China, which is very important for Apple. There are worries about economic slowdowns there, and we want to see how it affects Apple. Next, we need to look at Apple's services. This area has the highest profit margins, so it's super important. We want to see how much it's growing. The iPhone sales are growing, but services are increasing too, and that's a good sign. We're also at an exciting time of year. It's late October, which means the shopping season is coming up. What are Apple's customers feeling? Are they seeing an increase in demand? We want to hear all about that. And let's not forget about AI. Apple has been working on its AI technology. We're curious about how that's going. Now let's check on Apple's stock. Unlike the Nasdaq, Apple is close to its all-time high. If you draw a line showing the ups and downs of the stock price, you can see Apple is trying to break through to new heights. Apple is reporting its earnings at a critical point. This is important because how they do it could impact the whole market, especially since they're the biggest company on the Nasdaq. Looking back at their past earnings after the last report, the stock went up by about 0.6%, but then it dropped significantly after a while. This shows that investors are unsure about what will happen next. Apple is in a critical position right now, and we're excited to see how the earnings report turns out. Don't miss our upcoming videos on the Magnificent Seven, where we'll break down the earnings reports for each company this week. Make sure to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Stay tuned for more updates.